The question of how humans came into existence and why we exist touches on both scientific explanations and philosophical, theological, and existential inquiries. Here, I will provide an overview of these perspectives. Scientific explanation of human existence. Evolutionary biology. Origins of life. Primordial soup. Life on Earth is thought to have begun around 3.5 to 4 billion years ago. Simple organic compounds in the early oceans combined to form more complex molecules in what is sometimes called the primordial soup. Formation of simple life forms. Through processes such as chemical evolution and the assembly of RNA and proteins, the first simple life forms, such as prokaryotic cells, emerged. Evolution by natural selection. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection explains how life diversifies. Organisms with traits that enhance survival and reproduction are more likely to pass on their genes, leading to gradual changes in species over time. All life on Earth shares a common ancestor. Through millions of years of evolution, different species branched out, including the lineage that led to humans. Hominid evolution. Human evolution traces back to early hominids in Africa around 6 to 7 million years ago. Significant milestones include the development of bipedalism, walking on two legs, larger brain sizes, and the use of tools. The genus Homo, which includes modern humans, Homo sapiens, emerged around 2.5 million years ago. Homo sapiens evolved in Africa about 300,000 years ago and eventually spread across the globe. Genetics. Inheritance. Humans inherit genetic material from their parents through DNA. Variations and mutations in DNA contribute to the diversity within the human species. Advances in genomics have mapped the human genome, showing how genetic similarities and differences shape our traits and susceptibility to diseases. Philosophical and theological perspectives on human existence have long influenced how we understand our place in the universe. These perspectives delve into the essence of what it means to be human, questioning the origins, purpose, and destiny of mankind. Religious views provide a diverse spectrum of explanations about the origin and purpose of human life. Let's explore some of these views across different faiths. In Christianity, Judaism, and Islam, these Abrahamic religions share the belief that humans were created by a divine being, referred to as God. The biblical creation story in Genesis describes how God created humans in His image. In Hinduism, the cosmology includes various creation stories involving gods and cosmic events, emphasizing cycles of creation and destruction. While Buddhism does not focus on creation myths, it emphasizes the cycle of rebirth and the pursuit of enlightenment, shaping its followers' understanding of human existence. Purpose and meaning. In Christianity, humans exist to fulfill God's will, cultivate a relationship with Him, and strive for moral and spiritual development. In Islam, humans are seen as stewards of earth, tasked with living according to Allah's guidance and striving for righteousness. Hinduism and Buddhism focus on the pursuit of Dharma, which encompasses duty and righteousness, moksha, meaning liberation and enlightenment, as central to human existence. Philosophical views include existentialism, where, according to Jean-Paul Sartre, existence precedes essence, suggesting that humans first exist without inherent purpose and must create their own meaning through choices and actions. Existentialism emphasizes individual freedom and the responsibility to define one's own existence and values. Humanism posits that humans have intrinsic worth and value, advocating for the pursuit of knowledge, ethical living, and the betterment of humanity through reason and compassion. Absurdism, articulated by Albert Camus, suggests that the search for inherent meaning in life is futile because the universe is indifferent. However, individuals can find personal meaning through their actions and experiences. Why do we exist? This question can be approached from various angles. From a biological perspective, the purpose of life can be seen as the continuation of genetic material through reproduction. Humans, like all living organisms, are driven by evolutionary imperatives to survive and reproduce. Philosophically, many argue that meaning is subjective and must be defined by each individual. This view holds that purpose is not given, but created through our choices, relationships, and actions. Some suggest that contributing to the well-being of others and society provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment. From a religious perspective, many traditions teach that humans have a divine purpose, whether it is to serve and worship God, seek enlightenment, or fulfill specific spiritual duties. In conclusion, the existence of humans is explained scientifically through the processes of evolution and genetics, while the question of why we exist spans a wide array of philosophical, theological, and existential perspectives. Each viewpoint offers unique insights into the nature and purpose of human life.